Our relationship with nature is out of balance. In today's economy, a dead tree is more valuable than a living tree. Extracted minerals are more valuable than living ecosystems. It's time for a new paradigm, where the economy values living systems and our money is directed into a living future. That future is already here. All over the world, family-scale farmers are protecting and regenerating nature. They do it because they love to. We call them producers. They produce living value. They give us clean air, living soils, pure water, and healthy humans. At the same time, we see people and organizations ready to support real change. They want to fund ecological improvement, ensuring a bright green future for all of us. However, producers have had no way to sell their ecological value to us, and we've had no way to reward them for what they do for our environment. But Love to be Bright Green has a solution. We package ecological improvement as a commodity and turn it into digital tokens. And we sell the tokens in the biggest farmers' markets in the world, the financial markets. We do it in 3 stages. First, we measure the ecological improvement that producers have made. Then we turn that living value into digital tokens. Finally, we sell those tokens to people and companies who want to support a greener future. We call our tokens Bright Greens. Bright Greens are unlike any other token out there. That's because every single bright green is traceable back to certified ecological improvement. Through Bright Greens, we can all be part of the solution, bringing together good money with people doing good.